Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below and press notification bell all para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking video. For today's vlog guys, ayan, may 4 na recipe po tayong ibabahagi for today at ang ating unang recipe ngayon ay ang ating otap. Ayan. Fish recipe yan dito sa Singapore guys. Ayan, masarap yan. Isda yan. Chili. At ang ating pangalawang recipe, ayan ang ating pritong baboy. Ayan. Ayan ang luto ng tamad. Pangmadali ang ulam lang guys. Ayan. So yummy. Pork chop. At ang ating pangatlo ay ang ating chili with pork and mushroom with oyster sauce. Ayan guys. Masarap. Yummy yummy. Ayan. Simple food guys. Hindi siya masyadong maanghang. At ang ating pang-apat na recipe ay ang ating broccoli with carrots and mushroom with black peppers and cabbage. Stir-fry mixed vegetables. So yummy. Thank you guys again for watching my video.